Is your Chevy Tahoe refusing to link up with Apple CarPlay? Let's get your connection back in 2 minutes. Data shows that 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are actually caused by simple software glitches or bad hardware cables. Before we start digging into the settings, we need to isolate exactly where the signal is breaking down. Start by testing a high-quality cable, then check your phone's privacy settings and perform a clean repairing of the device. Don't forget to verify that Siri is enabled on your iPhone, as CarPlay relies on those voice services to initiate the session. On the truck side, inspect the USB ports for debris and check if your Chevy infotainment system has a pending software update. If simple resets fail, you might be looking at a physical hardware failure in the USB hub or internal wiring. Most users find success just by swapping their data cable, which accounts for nearly half of all successful repairs. For advanced troubleshooting, try a hard reset of the infotainment unit by holding the power button until the Chevy logo reappears. Keep a small can of compressed air and a high-quality cable in your glove box to rule out physical port issues instantly. Remember, if these steps don't work, don't force the connection, as you could damage the port pins. If this helped you reconnect your Tahoe, hit that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting playbooks.